Yes, if I would be a chocolate groupie, I would come to this place. Welcome to the European Chocolate Festival. The setting is a bit different than the usual setting because we are here in a medieval castle. And when I say medieval, I really mean it. The place where I am right now, can you believe it? People 800 years ago started the foundation of this. And now, today, it is a chocolate castle. I'm not joking. If you have a look around, you will see hundreds of medieval chains and of swords and of big gates, and there are hidden rooms, and all this is here, yes. And we have the chocolate. And today we have chocolate from almost all over the world. Can you believe it? Here we are in the middle of Germany. I mean, really in the middle of nowhere. Arkansas, you get the picture, but in Germany. So we are here not alone, but people from all over the world coming here to present their chocolate. Quark chocolate comes from the Netherlands. We have from 24 Blackbird from Santa Barbara here. We have Chocolate Tree from Scotland. We have Parliament from California. We have Coco Caran from England. And we have chocolate maker Mike and Becky from Belgium. And we have chocolate maker from Iceland and from Norway, from around the world. We are in the chocolate castle. And I would love to take you on a spin and show you what the vibe is, what the chocolate vibe here is, what the meaning of the chocolate festival is. And I just want to show you the best of the best in chocolate.
Thank you, Patrick.
You think it's good?
Oh, yeah.